month of June saw cooler market conditions with fewer sales, slower price growth, and expanded inventory across the Mid-Atlantic. It's Friday, July 22nd, 2022. I'm Kimberly Barton of Kinetic Realty, your local market expert with this week's Maryland Market Minute. The number of closed sales and new pending contracts in June continued to decline, while inventory expanded for the second consecutive month. Home prices continued to rise in the region, with the median prices up in all areas of the Maryland real estate market compared to a year ago. However, after double-digit price growth, appreciation is moderating as more inventory comes to the market. Inventory is still very low, with just over a month's supply in most areas. Here's the breakdown for the four regions. The Baltimore metro area saw inventory rise 3.7% since this May, but is down 13.6% from last June. The median sales price rose 5.6% year over year to $375,000. The Maryland suburbs that consist of Montgomery and Prince George's counties saw new listings rise 4.8% from May, with a median sales price up 8.7% to $500,000 from last year and up 2% since May. Southern Maryland saw new listings fall 15.3% from last June, while prices continued to rise 11.8% from last year and up 3.1% from this May to a median $425,000. Maryland's Eastern Shore new listings to the market fell 13.6% from May and 15.88% from last year. Prices pushed up 10.1% to $350,000 year over year. On the rental front, inventory ticked up again this week to 1,495, available at $2,635 per month. That's a wrap for this week's Maryland Market Minute for July 22nd, 2022. Thanks for tuning in. Until next week, enjoy your weekend. Take care.